How to learn anything, do everything.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for the next video. Today I'll be teaching you the easiest way to set up your internet settings. If your internet is not working even though you have data, then this video is for you. First thing you need to do is to go to your settings. When you open your setting, you're gonna see mobile network or SIM and network settings. If you can't find it, then you can search it in the search bar. Yes. When you have searched it, then you click on it. Then you click on the GSM network you are using, which I'll be choosing Orange. After that, you scroll down until you see access point name, which is under the. When clicking on it, then you can't find anything here, so you click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, then first you click on the name, then you put your GSM company name on it, which is, for example, I choose Orange. Then you press OK. Then the APN too will be the same Orange name. After that, you go to your server, then you type this. As you can see, when you click on OK, then you click on the save button. If you can't find the save button here, you see a three dot menu. When you click on it, then you click on save. After that, then you choose the one you have just clicked on. You choose. After choosing it, you off your data, then you put it on back. Before you know, your internet will start working back. And if you have any other questions or issues you are facing, kindly please tell me in the comment section. Thank you very much.